Hello there, my name is Yuhi, and welcome to my daddy's channel. Let's watch what my dad make his 15-liter bucket fills with water, and let's see how he mix his fertilizer, which he bought at our near local farm supply store. As you see, my dad is making his set a nutrient solution. He's trying to get the scale for 30 grams of calcium nitrate. Remember that 1:2 ratio will be needed on mixing our nutrient. For example, we have a 1 liter of water. How much fertilizer powder will be needed? Yes, you got it. 2 grams will be needed on making 1 liter of water. Now, you can see, my dad is dissolving a granulated calcium nitrate. He dissolved it into a warm water due to the reason, the granules will dissolve quickly in a warm water. Here is my dad 15-liter of bucket. He is stirring right away the water so that the nutrient solution will easily mix thoroughly. Now, Daddy is making his Set B nutrient solution. He is using Giant Crop 15-15-30, a water-soluble fertilizer with microelements on it. And then, as you see, my dad is scaling it up to make a 30 grams dry nutrient, double the digit size of 15 liter of water. Remember, every 15 liter of water have 30 grams of powdered nutrient to be mixed. Now, Daddy is adding a magnesium sulfate on the solution Set B. The recommended weight of it will be 1:1. Means, 1 liter of water mix 1 gram of Epsom salt, or they called it magnesium sulfate. As we have 15-liter bucket of water, my daddy is making a 15 grams of Epsom salt. Look now. My dad mixed the 2 component of nutrients in 1 glass. 30 grams, Giant Crop, which we called micronutrient, and 15 grams of Epsom salt or magnesium sulfate. This will be the Set B nutrient solution. Last but not the least, my daddy just added some additional nutrients. This is optional. This is called green bee, a foliar nutrients that has 8-18-16, which is good for flowering plants such as pole beans, cucumber, and etc. As you see, my dad is preparing his bottle for filling his nutrient solution for planting his seedling. You must shake very well the nutrient reservoir before you fill the bottle. Then, choose your healthy seedlings to be transplant on your planter bottle filled with nutrient solution. Watch my dad clipping his seedling on a soft foam to hold the seedling for stabilizer. And one more thing, if you have a plan in making hydroponics on a bottle, don't forget to paint the surface of your bottle to prevent sunlight pass through to the bottle and creating algae on it.
Shut the hell up, shut the hell up, shut the hell up, shut the hell up and get your work done.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and please hit the notification bell button below to notify you for more video like this. Catch you later. Till the next video. Bye.